Furthermore, the second session of the Russia-Africa Summit is coming at a time when the administration of President Bola Tinubu is implementing a homegrown and private sector-driven economic agenda that is predicated on good governance, infrastructure, and human capital development, as well as business climate reforms with the expected outcomes of job creation and poverty eradication. It needs therefore to invite private sector participation in the Nigerian economy cannot be overemphasized. Moreover, the timing of the summit is very appropriate, as it is a case of investments meeting opportunities. With 220 million people, Nigeria has unrivaled investment opportunities with an attractive return on investment and is the largest economy in Africa. It is against this background that the expectation from this summit remains high, as investment in Africa and Nigeria is very important and highly desirable. Your Excellencies, Nigeria is now at a new dawn to chart and reposition its destiny for greatness. We have resolved and are firmly determined to consolidate on industrializing Nigeria and diversifying its economy into sectors that the country has a comparative advantage. The administration of President Tinubu recognizes the private sector as the engine of growth and a veritable partner in our economic agenda, and will therefore give the fullest possible support to foreign and domestic investment. Your Excellencies, no meaningful development can take place without peace. The Russian-Ukraine crisis is impacting on all nations in different ways. The ongoing situation between two brotherly countries is unfortunate. Nigeria remains non-aligned in any conflict situation, but we are deeply concerned about the potential impact of the crisis on global peace and security, and we call on all parties to resolve the conflict through diplomatic means, as that is the best option for resolving conflicts and fostering international peace and security.